In the colorful rainforest, there are small creatures that carry a deadly secret: venom. And the animal we are talking about are toads and frogs. But the big question is whether frogs and toads are considered dangerous and poisonous. And the answer is yes. But which species are the most poisonous? To answer that question, we have compiled a list of the top 10 most dangerous frogs and toads in the world, from the famous golden dart frog to the lesser-known splashback, and even a frog whose venom is 200 times more potent than morphine. We have included them in our list, so without further ado, let's get started. At number 10, we have the cane toad. These toads are commonly found in rainforests, coastal mangroves, dunes, shrubs, and woodlands of South and Central America. Cane toads can grow up to 6 inches in length and weigh about 2.9 pounds. They have a bumpy head and bony eyebrows that meet in the middle. Cane toads have venom-secreting glands called parotoid glands, which are located behind the eyes and angled downward into the shoulders. These glands can produce a milky white toxin called bufotoxin, which contains several different chemicals, including bufogen. Bufogen can cause rapid heartbeat, excessive salivation, convulsions, and paralysis. The venom can also sicken or kill animals that bite or feed on the toads. Despite their venomous traits, these toads are incredibly resilient and can live almost anywhere. Interestingly, researchers have found that in China, cane toad venom is dried and used as a medicine for heart conditions and skin ailments. Next on the list, we have Harlequin poison frog. This tiny yet mighty creature found in the rainforests of Colombia, Ecuador, and Panama is a marvel of nature. Despite being only about 2 centimeters long and weighing a mere 2 grams, this frog commands respect. The Harlequin poison frog is famous for its strikingly vibrant colors, ranging from deep blues to bright yellows, a warning sign to predators of its potent toxicity. Its skin secretes a lethal toxin, toxin, which is strong enough to deter even the most determined predator. This chemical defense is a key survival strategy in the wild. Interestingly, the frog's diet of ants and mites contributes to its toxic nature. These amphibians accumulate toxins from their prey, enhancing their own defenses. There are no known incidents of human fatalities, but handling them without proper knowledge can be dangerous. At number 8, we have the Rio Madera poison dart frog. These small frogs, measuring only 15 to 25 millimeters, are found in Brazil and Bolivia and inhabit tropical moist forests and freshwater marshes. They are highly poisonous and contain potent batrachotoxins in their skin to paralyze predators. Rio Madera frogs obtain these toxins from their diet of specialized ants and mites. These frogs reproduce quickly and use high-pitched calls to attract mates. Female Rio Madera frogs lay around 30 small eggs on leaves above ground, and after hatching, tadpoles move down to water-filled plants carried by their parents. They are called poison dart frogs because some tribes use their poison on their hunting darts. Fun fact about these frogs: as pollution levels increase, the toxicity of Rio Madera frogs changes, acting like an environmental alarm bell that signals danger. Next on the list, we have granulated poison dart frog. This brightly colored frog is small in size and can be found in the subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests of Costa Rica and Panama. The frog's length varies between less than 1.5 centimeters to up to 6 centimeters, and its skin is finely roughened. Typically, its head, body, and upper arms are bright orange, while its underparts, legs, and lower arms are bluish-green. However, despite its vibrant appearance, the granulated poison dart frog is known for its toxicity. It secretes alkaloid toxins through glands in its skin, which include the main toxin, batrachotoxin. This toxin can cause strange effects on a victim's nervous system and is so potent that the skin of one little frog contains enough toxin to kill 10 adult men. Nonetheless, scientists have found a way to use the venom of these frogs to create a painkiller. Sadly, the species is threatened by habitat loss and is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. At number 6, we have the dying poison dart frog. This species of poison dart frog can be found in the eastern part of the Guiana Shield, which includes areas of French Guiana, Suriname, and Brazil. They are usually found in separate areas in the eastern Guiana Shield and can be seen at altitudes of up to 600 meters, 2,000 feet. These frogs are generally small in size, measuring about 0.75 to 1.5 inches, 20 to 40 millimeters in length. These frogs are known for their toxic skin secretions, toxins, toxin, PTX, is the primary alkaloid carried by this species. Pamiliotoxin is one of the numerous toxins present on the skin's outermost layer of these frogs that is released when they feel threatened. The frog has a pastel yellow head with two dorsoventral stripes that extend the length of its body. Their arms and legs are black or deep blue, speckled with bright yellow or black spots. In the reproduction process, the female lays a clutch of 8 to 15 eggs, which are fertilized by the male externally. The male tends to the eggs to make sure they do not dry out, and the eggs hatch 14 to 18 days later. At number 5, we have the black-legged poison dart frog. It is commonly found in the tropical forests of the Chaco region of Colombia, and usually lives near streams or puddles that form on the rainforest ground. This frog is known for its large size, with males reaching a length of 45 to 50 millimeters and females reaching 50 to 55 millimeters from nose to duct. Its vibrant coloration ranges from a sunny yellow to a fiery orange, often complemented by cool blue or black markings on its limbs, which gives it the name bicolored dart frog. This striking coloration serves as a strong visual warning to predators of its toxicity. The frog's poison, batrachotoxin, is highly potent, requiring only 150 micrograms to kill its predator. The toxin causes death by respiratory and muscular paralysis. Researchers have found the toxins of this frog to be 200 times more potent than morphine and are exploring potential medicinal uses for it. Next, we have the blue poison dart frog. This species is found in the warm, humid rainforest areas of the Sapalawini savanna in Suriname near small streams among moss-covered rocks. It is a medium-sized frog, with females being slightly larger, about 3 to 4.5 centimeters in length, and weighing about 8 grams. The frog has bright blue skin, usually darker around its limbs and stomach, with a unique pattern of dark blue and black spots of various sizes. It can produce toxins, which are secreted by glands in its skin, serving as a defense mechanism against predators. The toxins come from the frog's prey, especially ants. The frogs absorb the toxins into their skin when they eat their prey. Aside from this, blue poison dart frogs have excellent senses of sight and smell. They use a series of calls to deter intruders, and during mating season, males use soft calls to attract females. Next on the list, we have the Chocomint poison dart frog. This frog is a small amphibian found in the humid tropical environments of Central and South America, particularly in tropical rainforests. It is generally less than 1.5 to 2.4 inches in length. These frogs have a unique metallic golden yellow, deep orange, or metallic silver green coloration, whereas some adults have black markings on the snout and toes. These frogs are insectivores, preying mostly on Brachymermix and Paratrachina species, as well as tiny invertebrates like termites and beetles. Chocomint poison dart skin contains a strong poison called batrachotoxin, which is secreted by the frog. This species of poison dart frogs have such powerful toxins that just brushing against their skin is enough to kill an adult human. Aside from this, the venom of these frogs has been used on blow darts for hunting by the Madera Chaco Native Americans of Western Colombia. Next, we have the strawberry poison dart frog. This species is a small venomous frog that can be found in Central America. They live in humid lowlands, mountains, forests, and disturbed areas known as plantations in countries like Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. These frogs are known for their vibrant coloration, with approximately 15 to 30 color variations, making them visually striking. They are typically less than 1.5 centimeters long, although some can grow up to 6.5 centimeters. The frog's skin secretes a potent toxin that can cause symptoms like nausea and swelling. This species of dart frog is the most diverse in the entire poison dart frog family. Their skin can range from strawberry red, blue, yellow, white, green, orange, to black. Additionally, the strawberry poison dart frog has unique traits in their eyes that enable them to differentiate between different color variations of their species. At number 1, we have the golden poison frog. This small amphibian is known for its bright colors and can be found in the humid forests of the Pacific coast of Colombia, specifically in the Cauca and Valle del Cauca units within the Chaco rainforest. The frog measures around 0.75 to 1.5 inches in length, with males being slightly larger than females. The golden poison frog is unique for secreting the highly toxic alkaloid toxin called batrachotoxin, which can cause paralysis and is fatal with no known antidote. The frog's coloration is typically a uniform metallic golden yellow, but it can also be a deep orange or metallic silver green, sometimes described as mint green. Some adults have black markings on their snouts and toes. What sets the golden poison frog apart from the other poison dart frogs is the little bony teeth-like plate in its upper jaw. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below your favorite part and let us know. Also, press the subscribe button and bell icon for regular updates.